The Samsung Odyssey? The ASUS TUF? Or Sceptre 185RD? Perhaps the Dell or the AOC G Series? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 curved monitors available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best curved monitors. The 5th product on this list is the Dell S3222HG. This 32-inch 165Hz curved gaming monitor is well known for its distinct design, which provides gamers with both functional and aesthetic benefits. It has a 3-sided ultra-thin bezel for expansive views and specially designed vents in the back to keep everything cool while working hard. It also includes a new tapered stand that is sturdy and sleek, with a small footprint that brings you closer to the action. It also has a joystick and shortcut buttons on the back of the monitor to help you navigate and manage the OSD menus. And 3 user-defined profiles provide additional personalization options. You can control everything from frame rates and brightness to shadows. It also employs Comfort View software, which reduces harmful blue light emissions so that your eyes do not tire as quickly during a long gaming session. Not only that, this curved monitor also includes AMD FreeSync technology, which reduces screen tearing and stuttering for better image quality and smoother gameplay. While the pixel density is low, it compensates with solid video processing and well-saturated color, making it a strong contender for the high-value crown. Its pros are, its vertical alignment panel offers high contrast and deeper blacks. It allows you to view fast-moving visuals with incredible clarity and react quicker to in-game situations thanks to a fast 165Hz refresh rate. And it has uniquely designed vents engineered for improved heat dispersion. However, it has no sRGB mode, which can be a deal breaker for some hardcore gamers. The Dell S3222HG is an excellent curved monitor that is ideal for advanced gamers who enjoy customizing their setup to create a more realistic field of vision for an immersive viewing experience. Up next in 4th place is the Sceptre 185RD. If you're looking for a top-rated 1080p gaming screen with an incredible refresh rate, look no further than the Sceptre. This monitor has a curved display that will immerse you in your content like never before. Thanks to NVIDIA technology, it will provide smooth gameplay, so you won't have to worry about any visual imperfections. This curved monitor can perform at more than 3 times the standard refresh rate of 185Hz, giving gamers an advantage in visibility as frames transition instantly, leaving no blurred images behind. The quick response times reduce ghosting and blurring while transitioning pixels, ensuring that the enemy and terrain are always precisely in focus during chaotic moments. Furthermore, with sharper contrast of light and dark, this LED display delivers a wide range of rich colors, ensuring that moving images have never looked so good. It also has a vertical alignment panel that stands out by providing excellent viewing angles. All these features combine to make this panel ideal for gaming and artistic endeavors. You can also expect the FreeSync technology feature to further eliminate motion blur and ghosting while gaming, allowing you to enjoy more of the graphics. This is accomplished by connecting the refresh rate to the graphics card. When a command is executed, the response time is approximately 3 milliseconds, making it ideal for fast-paced online games like Rainbow Six or Call of Duty, where every moment counts. Its pros are, its graphic card and monitor refresh rates are synchronized to eliminate tearing and stuttering. Its DisplayPort delivers up to a stellar 185Hz refresh rate, providing superior visibility and agility. And it has built-in speakers that deliver office-level audio for conference calls and internet workshops. However, its setup may be tricky and can take up a portion of your time. The Sceptre 185RD is a high-end curved monitor that is ideal for gamers and employees alike, both at work and at home. Still haven't found a curved monitor that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the AOC G Series. This gaming monitor boasts 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution and a 1500R curvature, putting you right in the middle of the action for an immersive experience. Many aspects of a monitor's performance influence your gaming adventure. Speed and responsiveness are undoubtedly important, but both static and moving image quality are equally important. There's no doubt that this model is game-focused, and it also has a decent build quality. Another reason many users like this curved monitor is its ease of setup. The monitor is delivered in 3 pieces: the base, the upright, and the panel. You also won't need any tools to put it together, and the finished product is sturdy while remaining lighter than its size implies. This curved monitor lacks built-in speakers, but the sound is transmitted via HDMI and DisplayPort to a 3.5mm audio port, into which you can plug your favorite gaming headset or powered speakers. The 2 HDMI ports both support adaptive sync, but you need to ensure to plug in the DisplayPort correctly, as it is required for full 240Hz functionality. In addition, there are 3 color temperature presets in the game settings menu, as well as an sRGB mode, which converts the native DCI P3 gamut to the sRGB standard. If you want the smoothest experience possible with no chance of screen flicker, this is the unit for you. Its pros are: it has a superior high refresh rate to help you get ahead of the game by milliseconds. It is pretty straightforward to set up, and its low latency reduces input lag and increases in-game responsiveness. However, it doesn't have a joystick to control screen settings or any built-in speakers. The AOC G Series is an excellent monitor with all the necessary features for a smooth gaming experience. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experts. The second product on this list is the ASUS TUF. This next unit features a 31.5-inch 1500R curved display with a refresh rate of 165Hz and AMD FreeSync Premium for a smooth experience. Because of its wide viewing angle, which provides less distortion and color shift when gaming and watching movies, this contributes to greater viewing comfort. The response time is just 1 millisecond, and ASUS also included extreme low motion blur technology for crisp images, even at high refresh rates. This curved monitor employs a VA panel, a technology known for delivering a 3000:1 contrast ratio. Meanwhile, its maximum brightness is 250 nits, and color reproduction is respectable at 120% sRGB and 90% DCI P3. With one HDMI 2.0 port, VGA, and audio in and out, connectivity remains straightforward with this outstanding curved monitor. The stand is also simple, with only 26 degrees of backward or 5 degrees of forward tilt. If you need additional adjustments, you can always VESA mount the display. It also has a feature called Shadow Boost, which improves image details in dark areas while brightening scenes without overexposing bright areas. What's more, this curved monitor incorporates flicker-free technology, which reduces eye strain during long gaming sessions. Its pros are: it offers in-game enhancements that help you get more out of your game, its ultra-fast refresh rate lets you play at the highest visual settings for you to react instantly to what's on screen, and it's compatible with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series, GTX 16 series, RTX 20 series, and newer graphics cards. However, while the factory settings are generally okay, you will get the best from this monitor by customizing it to each game, which takes a while. Because it is designed for fast-paced gaming, using the ASUS TUF curved monitor is an excellent way to bring smoothness to the visuals of your favorite RPG and racing games. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals in each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top curved monitor is the Samsung Odyssey G5. This is an outstanding 1440p gaming monitor you won't want to miss. It's available in both a 27 and 32-inch model. Both sizes have a curved 1440p VA panel and a fast 165Hz refresh rate that handles even the most exhilarating scenes and super quick visuals. This model is a direct refresh of its predecessor, so they share the same aesthetics and proportions. The monitor has a textured matte black finish which helps it blend in with any kind of setup. This model is bezel-free on 3 sides, although you will still see inner borders on them if you look closely enough. It's a massive monitor, so you have to take note of your desk's free space before buying it. This model needs almost 11 inches of depth and is wide enough to cover your bookshelf speakers if your desk is narrow enough. Unlike many budget monitors, you'd also love that it comes with an OSD joystick for its functions. It's located under the Samsung logo on the bottom bezel, so you don't have to lean in to reach it. This makes it effortless to adjust settings to specific games. In terms of connectivity, this model has an HDMI 2.0 port, a DisplayPort 1.4 connection, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and HDR10. It also has a 99% sRGB color gamut, so you can surely enjoy the environmental graphics of your favorite games as they were intended. Lastly, thanks to its 1 millisecond response time, you can make every moment count and get the jump on enemies as soon as you can see them while staying ahead with precise mouse movements. This monitor not only immerses you fully in the game, but also ensures your on-screen performance is as swift as your own reflexes. Its pros are: It uses AMD FreeSync Premium, which reduces screen tearing, stutter, and input latency. It has low frame rate compensation that ensures every scene flows seamlessly. It has a futuristic design that looks attractive in any desktop setting. And it is wall mountable, so you can save desk space and use it for other gaming or work paraphernalia. However, like other monitors of this, the monitor does not raise or lower, which can be an issue for some people. The Samsung Odyssey G5 is a superior curved monitor that reduces eye strain by filling your natural field of view. It has some incredible native and customizable features, making it suitable not only for gamers but also for office and work from home employees. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.